Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon Mars price prediction and Dogelon Mars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon Mars in 2022. Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon Mars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Pairs for civilians, and everything but weapons for the army. On-chain accepts donations to multi-signature wallets on the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Harmony, Avalanche, Near and Celo networks. The project is one of several ways the Ukrainian crypto community has spontaneously coordinated fundraising attempts during a conflict that has killed hundreds of civilians, and stoked fears of a new Cold War between Russia and the West. Parallel efforts include UkraineDAO, formed with the help of Russian R collective Pussy Riot, and the Ukrainian government's own crypto fundraiser. UkraineDAO has raised $1,570 ETH, $4.6 million. Official Ukrainian government addresses have received over 200 BTC, $8.7 million, and 1,639 ETH, $4.8 million. Come Back Alive, a group supporting the Ukrainian army, raised over 195 BTC, $8.5 million. According to an estimate by Forklog, a Russian-language crypto news outlet, various organizations raising crypto for Ukraine have received over $58 million in donations over the past 6 days. This week, the Unchained Fund is planning to launch a distributed autonomous organization, DAO, to make decisions about how to spend the funds. Things progress slowly but surely, Bellicky said. Because everything is so secure and decentralized, it's very slow, he said. Despite such drawbacks compared with traditional fundraising methods, crypto has benefits, too, such as a public audit trail of the donations. It's a matter of our reputation, that the funds raised transparently with blockchain technology are used for things we declare to fund, said Alexei Bobok, our founder of Unchained Market 2. In fact, data compiled by Statista shows that downloads of the 10 most popular wallet apps began to take off from December 2020, while blockchain.com saw worldwide downloads of its software-based wallet increase to more than 80 million by December 2021. This goes to show that increasing crypto ownership and use generally results in the increasing use of wallets, a trend that many industry participants expect to continue in 2022. Not only that, but industry players predict that we'll see many wallets expand the services they offer, while the growth in longer-term holders might also see the software-to-hardware ratio shift more in the favor of hardware wallets. Growth in crypto adoption equals growth in wallet adoption is another indication of just how big the crypto wallet sector has become. Ledger reported having sold a total of 3 meters of its Nano S and X devices as of June 2021, when it disclosed a United States $380 meters Series C round. And for industry figures, the trend of growing downloads and/or sales is likely to continue this year. Wallet ownership certainly grew in line with ownership in 2021. We estimate this growth is at a rate of somewhere between 1.2 and 2 times as much, as many owners have more than one wallet or account, said David Janczewski, CEO of crypto protection technology provider JPX, and Japan Exchange, on both their platform and advertising campaigns. This is not even the first time when scams using prominent brands have come to the fore, as many legitimate cryptocurrency companies are also suffering from the same debacle. Recently, Hong Kong-based venture capital firm Animoca Brands issued a warning which highlighted how an ERC-20 token called Animoca Brands Metaverse had registered under its name and was pretending to be affiliated with the company. Nevertheless, JPX warning has come at a time when the company is on the path to test and possibly integrate blockchain and distributed ledger technology into the traditional financial system. For instance, it recently began researching digitally tracked green bonds, which utilize security tokens. The aim of this initiative is to improve the transparency of data and efficiency of data. Twitter enthusiasts wait attentively for any incoming changes to the platform. Dogecoin holders are undoubtedly enjoying the news this week. The week-long rally has been even more impressive. On March 30th, Doge was trading at 14 cents, which, from trough to peak, marks roughly a 21% increase. Despite the bullish surge, Doge is still down from its all-time high of 73 cents in May 2021. At that time, the cryptocurrency joined a handful of other meme stocks like GameStop, GME, and AMC Theaters, AMC, in one of the more bizarre bull run stories in financial history. The most likely reason behind Dogecoin's latest rise is the project's close ties with Elon Musk and his strong influence over the price of Doge, an influence which he often exercises on Twitter. On Monday, Musk purchased a 9.2% stake in the social media firm, according to an SEC filing. The filing indicated that the Telsa chief had purchased 73,486,938 TWTR shares at $39.31, totaling more than $2.8 billion, of $0.0000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.0000192, a low price of $0.0000186, and an expected price of $0.0000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelon Mars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics and storage options are being offered. There is a high chance that the average Elon price will rise to around $0.0001354 by 2029 if the idea attracts more reach. For 2029, it could end up with a high price of $0.0001543 with a low price. The level is $0.0001318.